Mdulamti 5-6 Entertainment to commemorate Mama, you know. Check, she never ran from them. Wahlala was vakis queen as white tendencies that now know no guilt to black pain. Akazanga baleke, she never fled from them. Situ selpatwin kantu yaja na matati skin in a run from them. She stood next to being slain in cold, the flak flask, no femela, no feminine, she never ran from them. Regardless the pain, she never gave in. The whole, the place they in never caved in, she never fled from them. Kazanga babaleke, waftek, become a tag and it am foot and I run from them. For till the freedom came, took her from us. Long live the queen, this isn't her name, she never fled from them. Imnainis being shaming, Makazile, that the crookers couldn't tame or condemn. She did not entertain as term and conditions of mobile season of mastari short to stem. She not fled from them. Hello mama be problem in epitome to disrupt the rail, the sunset close system. Now run from them. Akazanga babaleke, not now, not back then. Kwapululu bafumaneke, bangaklinge bakoke, wenzindu ngazangi libaleke. When your so-called freedom struggle icons azingeke, she stood ground. Chanted the song called Mabauyeke, umhlaba wethu phambi kwabo, ubomi bakhe bonke. She was, matter of fact she is, Kansobi bubuhle bububi babaninzi lelizule true definition yento enhle nenesithinze engamhlanga nje hlakaniphilu unozala kamamzenani nozinzi. She was, matter of fact she is, not of norm, aims far-fetched from ujonga utshata indoda ewoma. Umzabalazo wakhe wenkululeko was not writing a poem or becoming consciously woke by being a Karl Marx bookworm. She was, matter of fact she is, the catalyst to the black feminist commies. Fuck, I ain't feeling this. Showed no interest in giving men an ass kiss in order to get a job in counseling our social ills, because we interviews uzango redemption not the hills. Ebene Afro-Boliti but as weaves jonga any attitude of enforcing what she believes is a system designed plagued with genocidal motives. Qualified for not according to this, bemkomba kumpala bawubeke phezu komnyango we-office, whites only, net blankets, that's nonsense. It's because I am qualified, that is. Anzukucenga khasis. Guerrilla activities expose the incapabilities of these land thieves, because her spirit leaves and I fled from them. She did not die, she might reply a sign from them that she left in the footsteps are tired of women and men. Umkhosi that raps turbans for imfazwe yesithathu yehlabathi. Hengokukhululwa kabantu, long live the aspirations that gave birth kuwe. On the 2nd of April, you need to make sure that you get the song, you know. You need to distribute it in whatever means and ways, yabo. Why? Now let me explain. Umzabalazo bayawushiya, bayidlalile indima njengomama nentombi ezindala zase-Azania, that no longer shall a black woman be made to feel inferior or subjected to clean after ixelegu lomfazi weRajia. None of our daughters will be there domestic workers, intombi zifikile as queens that will rock izigqiya zabo with pride. Phezu kwemifakelo enwele ezindiya, SABC's captured your revolts on social media. Hamba yiya black Twitter bucinga ndiyajiya, where the likes of Onsiki made cyberbullying a career, like the scores of young women in Tashiki Regalia fighting worse with worse, posing on IG looking newbie. Izibeleko zinamaqhaga balimi baswela izitiya, Yesu akazobuya khondo tijonga uthrow Maria.